this is an update on Logan, and it is 22nd, 21st. I can't keep my days straight. I think it's the 22nd and the 21st of May. 22nd, which is a Monday, and we just got out of the hospital back last Thursday, so now we're back in for his second dose of methotrexate before his surgery. All I can say is I'm tired. It's 2 weeks in a row running back and forth and trying to keep everything straight at the house. It's just very tiring. It's like I'm whipped. I didn't do much all weekend. Just kind of rested, but last night I was absolutely whipped tired, and tonight I'm whipped tired. I didn't even work today because I had to be down at the hospital at 8:30 in the morning, and to get him in clinic, get his blood counts. His blood counts were really good compared to what they were before a few weeks back, but he did make blood counts so he could get his chemotherapy, and it's just tiring for the whole family. It really is. My wife's in the hospital with him. It is almost 7:30, and I'm running. I've been there since 8:30 this morning. 7:30 right now, and I'm actually running home to, do dishes, laundry, take care of the kids, feed them. It wears on you. But Logan's feeling pretty good compared to what he was feeling before, like a few weeks back, when he was back in the hospital getting platelets, got a blood transfusion. This was a few weeks back. This time around he's doing good. And then after this, he's going to have, is it Memorial Day weekend? I think we got Memorial Day weekend coming up. And then on the 2nd of June, he's got to go in for an MRI, some blood tests down at U of M, because that's where we're having the surgery at. And it's just I'm not looking forward to anything. Because, I can't imagine what's going through his mind, trying to, figure out how I'm, I'd be trying to figure out how am I going to be after the surgery. I can't imagine what he's thinking. I'm thinking the same thing. How is it going to be after surgery? I hope okay. And it's just terrifying for my son, me, my wife, the whole family, on what the heck's going to happen. And like I said at the beginning, it's like getting into the unknown, It's like the only way I could describe it is bringing a newborn baby home from the hospital. It's so unknown what you're going to run into as a new parent. I can remember when I was young, having my first child, I didn't know day to day what I had to do. And I'm kind of like that now. I don't know, I just go day to day. I can't plan anything, because I don't know how he's going to feel or what the next day is going to bring. And like I said in previous videos, I do these videos a lot for me because, we all get older, and even not being old, you still don't remember everything on a daily basis. What you're thinking, how you feel. So these videos, I do update updates, let you guys know, but they're mostly, I'd say, for myself too, because I'll look back, you know, because I keep all my videos from everything. I'll look back and say, hey, this is what we went through. It's just I mean, right now I can't remember what I did yesterday, let alone 3 weeks ago or 3 years ago. So, but like I said, Logan's doing okay. He doesn't want to be in the hospital, obviously. He wants to be out fishing and playing with his buddies, like any 13-year-old. So that's kind of where we're at with it right now. It's just a quick update. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Venmo, the Zelle. If you can't donate, you know, hit up the YouTube and just watch videos so I get some ad revenue or something. But anything helps. A lot of you guys have been spectacular, donating 2, 3, 4 times. It's crazy. I appreciate the support. Family appreciates it. And I guess the next update's going to be surgery time in a few weeks here. I think that's... But I'll keep you posted. Figure out how that's going. I don't know. That's a lot of driving. It's like, I think 80 something, 90 something miles each way from the house. So I think a few nights I'm going to end up spending the night down there because I just can't. I'll probably be too whipped to drive. Alright, I will see you on the next one, and thanks for the support.